Another component, which is a little more complicated than an LED, is the 7 segments display. This display is made up of 7 LEDs with the shape of segments. They can be turned on and off independently in order to display numbers or letters. It also has an extra LED with the shape of a dot that can be used to display decimal numbers if we concatenate the displays. The displays come in 2 different configurations: common cathodes and common anodes. We will only use the common cathodes. Each segment on the display is labeled with letters from A to G, and the dot is labeled as DP. In this way, the displays have 8 pins to command all of the LEDs independently, and 2 more pins that are the cathodes in the common cathodes configuration. Let's use a 7 segments display on Tinkercad. Here we have the Arduino Uno board connected to the display. If we click on the display, the properties of it pop up, and we see that it is a common cathodes configuration. Each anode is connected through a resistor to a digital pin of the microcontroller. And the cathodes are connected to GND. Now, we are ready to start writing the code. Some of it is already here. We defined each segment from A to G as the corresponding number of the pin used. We also defined the word on for 1, off for 0, and the 1_second constant as before. Furthermore, all the digital pins are configured as outputs. Now let's write a function to set the LEDs on or off all at once with their state as input. We write void set LEDs int A, int B, all the way to int DP. And inside the function between the brackets, we change the state of each LED using digital write. The capital A selects the LED, and the lowercase a selects its state. We write this line 8 times for each LED. Having that done, we can create other functions to display a particular number on the display. Let's create an individual function for each number. Let's first create a function that turns on all the LEDs, which is usually used to test the display. Inside this function, we use the previous one we created to command the LEDs, and we set all of them to on. Now, using again the display configuration, we create all the other cases. I have them ready. And we are ready to write down the main loop code. We can turn all the LEDs on with the function all first, include a delay of 1 second, and change its state to the number 0. We can repeat this to test all the numbers, changing the name of the function used. The code is ready to be tested. It looks great.